Oh my god! Juniper! This is how you train your cat to not eat your food. Juna.
Hey, what are you doing in here? You can trust me. Come on.
Do you want? That's not how we communicate in this house. Oh.
It's hot. You really...
Oh, baby, are you stuck? Are you in jail? Are you stuck in your cage? Oh no! Oh no!
Look at this. I just have this little guy that sits in my living room and stares at me.
Ain't you kinda glad and ain't you kinda gay when you hear me say I love you? Or tell me, baby, or ain't you? Boop boop be doo. And don't you kinda miss that little bit of bliss when a hug or kiss I gives you? Or tell me, baby, don't you?
Show the moment when you realized your foster kitten turned into a foster failure.
Come and take my
I just got out of the shower. I see Lewis here, and I'm like, oh, there's like something stuck to you here. I kind of follow it. Look at this. There's like a handle. I think he tried to walk through a paper bag. He got free of the bag. How long have you been like this? He does not seem bothered. No, he's chasing my robe. Oh, this might need two hands. All right, we got him out. Lewis, what do you have to say for yourself?
There are 4 stages of a cat's yawn. Stage 1, the cute little mouth hole. Stage 2, sticky the tongue out. Stage 3, entire face splits open, inducing a nervous trepidation to all viewers witnessing the razor-guarded pit of hell open right in front of their very eyes. Stage 4.
I can only see your face when I close my eyes.
Can I get a kiss?
Yeah. I don't look at culprit. The criminal.
It's always the orange ones, bro. What's your issue? What's your it?
Oh my god. You better go in there. Pet that kitty.
Hi.
See, he says hello. Oh, watch out.
What?
Oh, shit.
Back when we were still changing for the better, wanting was enough. For me, it was enough to live for the. Got secrets that nobody knows.
Yes, get out. No, you cannot stay in there. Out. Ah. Every day. Out. You little fucker. Get. Fine, bye. Enjoy.
Let go of him, Nuggy.
H.E. Nice way. Let me pet you. Mother.
Skulls, so they couldn't be traced back to us.
Today, I saw a balloon.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting, yes.
So I've never had an orange cat before. I've had many other cats in my life, just never an orange one. And I've heard a lot about the general like lore and mythos of orange cats, just about like their need for affection and general lack of brain cells and everything. So when I was in the market for a cat again, I was like, let's try out this orange cat thing. Like, let's see what this is all about. And so when I say nothing could have prepared me for this, this bitch will just scream at my feet until I pick him up and coddle him like a little baby. He'll run laps at full speed around the house and just run into the wall head first. Not even try to turn, not even try to slow down, just head first into the wall. And I could hold him like this forever. My arms will get tired before he wants to get put down. Like, be for real, this can't be normal. And not to mention the fact that he's 5 months old and he's literally as big as our cat, who's 2.5 years old. She's full grown. Like, dude, can somebody with experience with pumpkin pie cats please weigh in? Cause like, this is not normal.
You've heard about Dave's tail. Now get ready for Dave's neck. At first glance, you may look at Dave and say, you know what? His neck is fine. But The longer you look at him, the more blatantly obvious it will become that there is indeed nothing at all fine about Dave's neck. It looks as though someone combined the neck of a goose with the body of an entire camel, or more realistically, a dromedary, but I digress. Every time I catch sight of Dave from behind, I expect his head to swivel around 180 degrees, like an owl, or perhaps a possessed child. As of now, this has not yet happened, but given that Dave is only 3 years old, there is still time. While the length of Dave's neck does not benefit him in the same way that it would, say, a giraffe, it does have some practical applications. Most notably, Dave's bizarre neck allows him to get a closer look at both door frames and his beloved Jackson.
Vagina. Truly incredible that my kid will grow up thinking a standing cat is normal.